Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Big Progress channel, where learning English is simple, fun, and full of progress. I'm Hannah, your English guide today.
And I'm Lam. Hello, Hannah. Hello, everyone listening from all over the world.
Lam, you look very excited today.
I am. The weather is beautiful, I feel energetic, and I'm ready to train my brain.
Ooh, great timing, because today's topic is exactly that.
Really?
Yes. Today we will talk about how to train your brain to speak in English.
Wow, that sounds important, but also maybe difficult?
Don't worry, it's not difficult. In fact, it can be fun, easy, and something you can do every day, even if you are very busy.
I like that already. I am busy, but I want to improve.
And you can. Today we'll give you 3 powerful tips to train your brain to think and speak in English.
Wait, what about the secret rule of podcasts?
Ah, yes, the special rule.
Like and subscribe.
If you enjoyed this episode, please press the like button right now.
It really helps the channel grow.
And don't forget to subscribe to Big Progress channel.
Hit the little bell icon too so you don't miss our next lesson.
All right, now let's train the brain. Lam, I want to ask you a question. When you speak English, what happens in your mind?
Honestly, I think in Vietnamese first, then I translate to English in my head.
That's exactly what most English learners do.
But it feels slow. Sometimes I want to say something and my brain is like, loading.
Yes, because your brain is doing 2 jobs. Think in Vietnamese, translate to English. That takes time and energy.
Yes, sometimes my head hurts.
Our goal is to speak English naturally, and to do that, you need to think directly in English. No translation.
Wow, that sounds amazing, but also scary.
Not scary if we start small, very small. Don't think single words. Think short sentences.
So instead of pen, I should think,
This is my pen.
oh,
Or, my pen is blue.
that already feels like real English.
Exactly. Here's the key. Every time you see something, think a short English sentence about it.
Can I try?
Yes. Look around.
Okay. This is my notebook. My notebook is on the desk.
Perfect. Now, imagine you walk around your house. You open your eyes in the morning.
I say, I wake up. I open my eyes.
Yes.
I stretch. I am awake. I am hungry.
Very good. Then you go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth. The water is cold.
Amazing. You're making sentences connected to your real life. That's how your brain learns.
I like this. It feels simple.
It is. Just think short English sentences all day long,
Even when I'm outside,
especially when you're outside. Example on the bus?
I see a woman. She is smiling. I see buildings. The sky is blue.
Yes.
A man is running. The road is busy. I am tired.
You're training your brain. Why this works. Each sentence is a tiny workout for your English brain.
So it's like doing push-ups, but with words.
Exactly. And the more you repeat, the stronger your English brain becomes.
Okay. What's the second tip?
Input. That means English must enter your brain every day.
Like listening and watching.
Yes. Think of it like food for your brain.
So if I don't input English, my brain is hungry.
Yes, and it becomes weak.
Hungry brain equals bad English. Got it.
What to listen to? Listen to English that is easy and interesting.
So I should not start with BBC News.
Maybe later. But first, choose content that matches your level and your hobbies.
My hobbies. Cooking.
Then listen to English cooking videos.
What do they say?
Cut the tomato, add salt, mix the rice.
Oh, yes. I can picture the actions.
That makes learning faster. When your eyes see the action and your ears hear the words, your brain remembers better. Music works too.
I like music,
Great! Find simple English songs.
but sometimes I don't understand the lyrics.
It's okay. Many pop songs repeat words again and again. Repetition trains your brain.
Like, baby, 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 oh, haha.
Exactly. Even simple lyrics help your brain connect English sounds to meaning.
I like football too.
Then watch short sports videos in English.
That's fun.
Remember, fun makes your brain learn faster.
So, if I enjoy it, I learn more.
Yes, a happy brain learns better. A bored brain stops learning.
Now, it's time to speak, right?
Yes. Output means English comes out of your mouth.
But I don't have anyone to speak English with.
You do, yourself.
Don't tell me to talk to myself.
I will. Talk to yourself out loud.
But people will think I'm crazy.
Talk in your room, talk in the shower, talk in your car.
Okay, what do I say?
Describe your world. Room example.
This is my bed. The bed is big. I have a lamp. The lamp is on.
Perfect.
What about my computer? This is my computer. My computer is black. I like my computer.
That's great. When you speak out loud, your ears hear your voice. Your brain connects sound plus meaning.
So it's double training?
Yes, you are speaking and listening at the same time.
I never thought of that.
Now, think about your day. Before you sleep, say, "Today I worked, I ate noodles, I watched Big Progress."
Ha 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 ha. Yes.
This builds English paths in your brain. Let's review the 3 tips. 1. Think in small sentences. All day, everywhere. No single words to short sentences. Connect English to your daily life. 2. Input. Feed your brain English. Listen to easy podcasts, music, videos. Choose content you like. 3. Output. Speak out loud even alone. Describe your room, actions, day. Your brain learns by doing.
Hannah, if I do all this, will I speak fluently next week?
No, haha.
Next month?
Also no.
So, never?
Relax. You will improve, slowly but surely. Language learning is a marathon, not a sprint.
How many minutes per day?
10 to 15 minutes every day. Small steps every day are more powerful than 2 hours once a week.
That feels possible. I always feel scared to speak. I might say something wrong.
Mistakes are good.
Good?
Yes. Mistakes mean your brain is trying. No mistakes, no progress.
Wow. I never thought that way.
Be brave. Be kind to your brain. Tell your brain, it's okay. Mistakes are part of learning.
I will say that tonight. Hannah, I feel like my brain is growing.
Because it is.
Like a muscle?
Yes. English brain muscle.
Can I say, my English brain is getting stronger every day?
That's the perfect sentence. Say it every morning. If this episode helped you, like this video, subscribe to Big Progress, share it with a friend learning English.
And answer this question in the comments. What do you do to train your brain to speak in English?
Do you listen to music?
Do you talk to yourself like me? Haha.
Do you watch football, cooking videos, or travel blogs?
Tell us. We love reading your answers.
Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.